So what are we doing today?
Today we are heading over to the big sandhills. It's perfect sailing weather, it's like 10 knots. We're a little bit dusty. We saw our mates off. They've been here for a while and they're leaving today. So last night we had a few drinks and we're a little bit dusty, but we're shaking it off.
Literally shaking.
Literally shaking it off, and we're going to have a good time regardless. So we're going for a couple of nights. Weather's supposed to be perfect. Blowing an easterly, which is good ideal
for the anchorage we're going to.
For sandhills. So yeah, we're keen as. Last time we went to the sandhills, it was blowing 30 knots and we didn't even get off the boat because we were too scared because it was our first time anchoring. So this will be a different story.
Oh God, don't say that.
Fingers crossed. So yeah, it's going to be awesome.
Save me. We're motoring because there's like 5 knots of wind.
Hey, we're motor sailing.
We're motor sailing.
So nice. I love this boat.
I love this boat too. If only all our sailing days could be like this.
Where's the fun in that? Go sailing, they said. It'll be fun, they said.
I can't wait for a dodger. Full main, full heady.
It's midweek, so there's nobody around.
And in 8 knots of wind, we're doing 3.5 knots, which is, I think, pretty good. Especially because we are very new to this. Meow. Get both of you up here. There's one. There's another. Trying to work out where we should anchor. Okay. Now let's not drop that in the water.
That is the goal, right? There's something in the water there.
Oh my God.
How
What
good.
happened to his little fin?
Yeah, he had a chunk out of his fin. Look at him. Wow. He's got a full chunk missing out of his fin.
Come over here. Oi, he might be. Oh, poor buddy.
Is it the same one?
No.
Oh my.
Oh my God. Look at these cats. They're just like, oh, it is the same one. Bouncer, don't you dare. Hey, buddy, where are you?
It is the same one.
It is. Everyone else is just like, oh, look at these two, obsessed with dolphins. Obviously, they just got a boat. Our cat's okay?
Oh my,
Oh my God, it's all around the finger.
oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God, that's what it is.
The whole ocean just erupted around the boat.
What a beautiful sunset.
Life just happens around you, doesn't it? How good.
So elegant. And we're going to climb that.
Don't fall in.
I know. He looks like he's struggling a little bit. Your legs just disappeared. How unfit do you feel right now?
10 out of 10.
And that's little compared to that one.
This is sick.
Good.
Sucks. I'm puffed. Woo.
Well, we've made it up the first bit. We still have this one to go. Oh, that's gonna be a killer. So you can see the surf.
Surf's pumping.
Yeah. So it's like North Stratty and then Moreton.
We are puffing. We just stopped for 2 minutes before I hit record on the camera.
Yeah, we're not that fit.
We found some shade. Last time we were here was like 6 years ago.
I'm not 30. Oh my god, I am 36. Yes, it was 6 years ago for my
6 years
30th.
ago for Nikki's 30th.
I remember being up here and there were all like boats anchored out there in the anchorage we were in and being like, I wish we had a boat. And now we have a boat. It's like full
We are one of
circle.
those boats in the anchorage.
We are. We have a boat. We are one of those boats in the anchorage. Full circle.
What's your favourite thing about the sandhills?
Going down them's fun.
And you know, you realise how unfit you are, even if you are fit.
Hey, we didn't do too bad getting up these.
No, it was good. It was much easier than last time, actually.
Yeah. And we're 6 years older.
Yeah. I'm only 5 years older.
You're 6 years older at 6 years. What'd you do? You lost a year?
I don't age as quick as you.
Piss off. Age like an old sock.
Like a banana.
You going down?
Let's do the trek and go for a swim.
Yeah.
We're going to try and go for an explore down the south side because it's almost high tide, so we can get in the mangroves and go for a look in there.
Yeah, apparently there's, what are the sharks called? The really cool, like...
Shovel nose. Guitar fish.
Yes.
Yeah.
Apparently those. Oh, and one of the girls we met yesterday saw a manta ray there yesterday.
Oh yeah, manta ray.
Yeah, so...
Let's go
I've
manta
never
ray
seen-
hunting.
I don't think... Oh no, we did see manta rays when we were up.
Yeah, but
in
sharks are
Cardwell.
eating them.
Yes.
So
It was quite sad.
That was quite sad, but yeah, we'll go try find one around.
But we did see a manta ray.
Moreton Bay.
One that's not getting eaten by a shark.
We're gonna run out of fuel.
But we got a Jerry, don't we?
Yeah, we have, but we're definitely gonna run it. Going for a swim.
Clickbait title. We ran out of fuel.
Ran out of fuel. Someone died. The boat sank.
So we've just topped up the fuel because you need fuel to run these things, and it's a vital part of our story of putting fuel into it. So what we've done is we've just topped up the motor with some fuel. The fuel is now in the motor. The motor has fuel in it. It has its go-go juice. Jamie, what did you just do? What did you do? Did you just top up? Did you just top up the motor with some fuel?
Pretty impressive stuff. What are you, you little creep?
Where are your arms?
Yeah.
And again. Wait, they're in the boat.
They're in the tender.
One went in the tender.
Hey.
One just landed on here and went down. Oh, babe, there's another one, I think.
Hey.
Hey, nearly. But we know there's definitely one in the tender.
He's like, dude, I'm in a UFO, bro.
The look in his eyes.
He goes, UFO just took me. Bro, the UFO.
Are you keeping him or throwing him back?
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Oh, God.
If I had been born 200 years ago, well, I would have been a sailor. Sailing I would go, I'd sail around the capes, across the 7 seas, and then back home. If I had been born 200 years ago, I would know the waters, and the waters would know me, and I would cut across the waves and be as happy as can be. I'd be landless, I'd be loveless, I'd be flying fancy free. And I would know the waters, and the waters would know me. When I think about the place and time that I was born, well, I wonder if the hands of fate slipped and placed me wrong. Well, there's ships I could have sailed, sailors' boots I could have worn. When I think about the place and time that I was born.
What are you doing in the tender? This is not your tender.
Hey.
Every time.
Go get the bottle. Oh, is it by your foot? Just to the left?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's a 4X. Have a swig.
Sweet, there's something in it.
Ashes.
I don't know if it is a 4X. BB Queensland.
Did you want to put it on the beach down there?
No, we'll just stick it
Oh, you want to anchor it out?
Yeah, it'd be good to see if the anchor actually holds.
Okay. So, it's very steep. So far, there's been no injuries. So far. And he's thinking, he's like, do I do it? Don't I do it? Maybe take a snake bite bandage. Famous last words. No, I'm right. Well, we've decided to come for a swim where there's no other boats anchored.
Where we're not getting covered in people's poo.
Yeah, because we know what they do at anchorages. You're such an asshole. Go. Come on. Come on.
Don't you want to go in the water? I thought that was the whole point.
Yeah, but I want to choose.
You want to go on your turn?
I want to go on my turn. There's no trust here.
One, two.
Thank God it's this deep.
got this. Don't do it to us now. We're almost there. Can we see what's left in the motor? Nothing. 4.7 nautical miles
Higher.
on one tank. That's pretty good.
There's 4. Come back. I just had one over that way too.
Well, time's come to head home. It's a beautiful glass out day, no good for sailing. It's maybe blowing 4 knots if you're lucky, and in the direction we're heading, which is not ideal. But yeah, we're gonna pull up anchor, head home. It's about 3 hours, probably takes about 3 hours to motor home. Unless the wind picks up, and then we'll be laughing. But yeah, we're gonna motor with the shade up today because it's still pretty warm and it's just nice to chill. Hopefully we see some cool stuff along the way.